Finally, after so many looks of Galaxy Z Fold 6, we have the first ever look of Galaxy Z Flip 6, and things are really interesting. Also, there are a couple of big updates we are going to see on the Z Flip 6, including the cameras and the battery life. So stick till the end to find more, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. This is the first ever look of Galaxy Z Flip 6. Don't get me wrong, this is not the Galaxy Z Flip 5 but a Z Flip 6 dummy. Yes, it looks exactly same as Z Flip 5, but there are a couple of changes we are going to see on the Z Flip 6. The sides are now more flat compared to the rounded size on the Z Flip 5, and apart from this, there is little to no change. Although the display size will be different on the Z Flip 6. Lately, it was rumored we are going to see a 3.9 inches cover display. No, it's not coming. Instead, according to internal source, we are going to see a 3.6 inches cover display on the Z Flip 6. Slightly bigger in size compared to the Z Flip 5, but it will going to feature a same folder design cover display. Also, some sources do suggest an update in the refresh rate on the cover display. Last year, we get the 60Hz on Flip 5, and sources suggest we may see a 120Hz refresh rate on cover display of a Z Flip 6. The inner display is also getting an update, 6.8 inches instead of 6.7, and Samsung is improving the UTG ultra thin glass on Z Flip 6 to make it more durable, although after looking at this image, it doesn't seem like there is any change in the crease of the Z Flip 6, but this is a dummy unit, and according to confirmed sources, while adding a better and thicker UTG ultra thin glass on Z Flip 6, the crease will be less visible. Don't know how much, but it will be improved compared to the Z Flip 5. As we all know by this time, Samsung is going to increase the battery capacity on Z Flip 6, and there's a big difference in size. Now last year, we get 3700 mAh battery, but this year, according to confirmed sources, we will going to see a 4000 mAh battery on Flip 6, which is 300 more than the Z Flip 5. Now according to internal source, this battery update won't make a big difference. Now the reason is actually Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This turns out the bigger battery is only for managing the power of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and lasting longer than the Z Flip 5 is just a dream. Although Samsung will introduce a new feature called Battery AI, as it was rumored for Z Fold 6, it might come for the Z Flip 6, will even boost the battery life at least 20 to 30 minutes, and with a bigger battery, it may last slightly longer compared to the Z Flip 5. The camera updates are real on Z Flip 6. Initially, we got the news that Samsung is going with the 50 megapixel main sensor on Z Flip 6, and later that news was denied because there were no changes to the cameras of Galaxy Z Fold 6, the bigger brother of Z Flip 6. But now things are getting interesting as Z Flip 6 gets a certification and indicating we may see a camera update. The Z Flip 6 spotted with the model number SMF741B and shown up in the camera FOV5 platform, showing every small change. First, it shows Galaxy Z Flip 6 main camera will going to support both OIS and EIS, optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization. Now it shows 12.5 megapixel, but this is with the pixel binning, meaning we are going to see a 50 megapixel main sensor on Z Flip 6. So does this mean this year both Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 will have a same main camera? This is interesting. Also, this information didn't confirm the ultra wide sensor. Yes, it will be same as last year 12 megapixel. Now, if Samsung wants to look to other competitors like Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, it will going to feature a 50 megapixel telephoto sensor. And on Z Flip 6, there is no dedicated telephoto sensor on Z Flip 6, which is quite a shame against the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Samsung is launching earlier, and the release date of a Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and Watch 7 series is confirmed. According to confirmed sources, Samsung will going to launch all these new devices on 10th of July, way earlier compared to last year 26th of July for a previous event. On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.